How to download the freestyle LibreLink app onto your Android smartphone. The pictures in this video are only to help you understand it. These are not real patients. The sugar levels are not real patients' numbers. Introduction. With the freestyle LibreLink app, you can scan your freestyle Libre 2 sensor with an Android smartphone. It is free to download and free to use. An app is a computer program that you have on your phone to help you do something. Scan means your phone gets information about your sugar levels from your freestyle Libre 2 sensor. The sensor is a small device that you attach to your body on the back of your upper arm. An Android smartphone is a phone that connects to the internet. It is not an Apple iPhone. You can get more information about which phones work with the system on our website. You will need to be connected to the internet or have mobile data to download the app. You will need to register with LibreView to use the app. Downloading the freestyle LibreLink app. Go to the Google Play Store. Type freestyle LibreLink where it says search. Look for the freestyle LibreLink GB and tap it. Tap Install. Open the app and follow the instructions to set it up. If you have a LibreView account, then use the same email and password to complete the freestyle LibreLink setup. Set an alarm. You can set an alarm on your freestyle Libre 2 Blue Reader or phone to go off when your sugar levels are too high or too low. You can only set an alarm on one device. If you want the alarms on your reader, you will need to start the freestyle Libre 2 sensor with the freestyle Libre 2 Blue Reader. If you want your alarms on your phone, you need to start the freestyle Libre 2 sensor with the app on your phone. It's called a glucose alarm. Glucose is another word for sugar. To set the alarm on your Android phone, 1. Open the menu on your app and tap Alarms. 2. Touch Low Glucose Alarm and turn the alarm on. 3. The app will tell you if your phone has no signal. 4. Choose your low glucose value. The low glucose value is the lowest amount of sugar you should have in your body. The alarm is telling you to take some sugar. Ask your doctor for advice. 5. Touch Alarm Tone to choose what sound you want the alarm to make. 6. Set your high glucose alarm in a similar way. The high glucose value is the highest amount of sugar you should have in your body. Scanning. Take any bulky or metallic cases off your phone. These can make it harder to scan. Hold the back of your phone over the sensor on the back of your upper arm. This can be done over clothes. Do not move your phone until you have heard the first and second tone and/or felt the vibration. This means that it has worked okay. You will need to have the sound on your phone switched on to hear the tones. You will need to have Bluetooth, notifications, sounds, vibrations and alarms turned on to use the alarm. For more information, if you need more information, go to our website at www.freestyle.abbott.uk-en. Customer Services. Call us on 0800 170 1177. Monday to Friday between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Saturday 9 a.m. and 5 p.m.